Here's my New Year's sweet treat. A brandy-soaked sorrel and fruitcake ice cream drizzled in a dark rum-infused caramel sauce. The recipes will be in the caption. Start with your milk, egg yolks, sugar and salt, vanilla, gelatin, and invert sugar or corn syrup. Over a double boiler, whisk till 85 Celsius. Then remove from the heat. Combine with cold heavy cream, then rest overnight in the fridge to mature and thicken. Churn the ice cream to a soft serve texture when it's just thickened up, like this. Then combine with your brandy-soaked sorrel and your wine-soaked fruitcake. Freeze through, then serve and enjoy.